Okay, I hope to God. Oh, I'm shaking my camera. You know what time it is? Hey, it's an unboxing time. Hey, you know what time it is? Hey, it's an unboxing time. Hey, we upgraded. Hi guys, it is me, Miss MatchaBlossom, and today we're gonna be unboxing a Hanfu. I don't know which one because I forgot the name, but I'll put the name of it right here. Yeah. Hello guys, if you guys don't know me, hi, my name is Miss MatchaBlossom. I am a Hanfu enthusiast slash lover of Hanfu and Hanfu culture and the ancient garments itself. I am on a journey in learning more about it. I hope you guys can join me along the way in learning about it through your own ways as well, as I stay educated and knowledgeable about what it is and what it's not, and also how to appreciate it without appropriating it. Please go ahead and hit the like button. It lets YouTube know that you like these kind of videos. Hit subscribe with the bell notification. It lets you know when I have a new video as well that is up to date and on YouTube. But today we're going to be unboxing a Hanfu I got in the mail. I got 3 out of the 4. The 4th one is taking a while to come, but we're gonna get it. I got this one in the mail, and I don't know if customs messed up like the bagging, because it opened some of my bags and I was like, this is kind of weird. I ordered things to my mom's house because it's a little bit safer her route to get things than it is my place. So when she got this stuff, normally she'll open it for me, but when she opened one of the bigger bags that had everything in it, some of it was already pre-opened, which is kind of creepy, but they sealed up the bigger bag that held all the bags together, so I don't understand customs. Why do you do this to me? We're gonna open this Hanfu today. This is my 3rd one I probably received in the same day. That's why you probably see me in the same hoodie, but that's fine. I just got off a 12-hour shift. We're not doing it today. Yes, let's go ahead and get this open. Bye-bye. Oh, this is that one. Okay, so I ordered this one Hanfu. I'll hopefully put the picture right here. It was really, really pretty to me, and I really liked it. I was like, I need to get that one. They have a yellow version, and then they had a pink one. So hopefully it looks good on me as much as I like it. Yellow looks good on me too, but I got tired of wearing a lot of yellow things. So this is the front of it. I don't know what this is. It's probably just the brand name. I like keeping the bag so I can store my cosplay wigs or my Hanfu wigs in here. Fun fact, it'll save your wigs. Let's see. Oh, whoa. Whoa, already out of the gate, I'm like super excited. If you can see, oh my god, look at the embroidery. Hold on, I saw the front embroidery. Fucking get. Saw this pink piece right here, and I was like, and the reason why I like is because when you buy a more expensive Hanfu, this one was like what, $10, $15 more than the one they usually get that are like simplified. So you can see that there's a detail and labor, like attentive to detail labor increase in that. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Guangsu is the name of the brand. Ooh. Okay. And by the way, don't worry about if some Hanfu aren't always all embroidered. Not all Hanfu have to be always embroidered. They actually had a press method back in the day that they would do for designs if they couldn't embroider it on there. It wasn't just in China. I know in South Korea they have that too. It's like a certain press stamp thing, but I have to learn more about what it's called in ancient Chinese. Like, I'm still looking for it because it is a thing. Oh my god, look at this skirt. I gotta look at it first. This is so, oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my flan. Oh my flan. And then there's the umbrella. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm excited. There's a lot going on. I know, but your girl loving it. I'm loving it. So there's a lot of little dots, and then you see the rhombuses on the turquoise. And then you see right here on the salmon color is like more of a floral touching the little seafoam color. And then like in the middle, it's more floral. Then it goes back to its like dimensions out. If you can see it, I like that. I like how it is very long. It's not too transparent. Somewhat a lighter material, but it's not transparent. So good job on the polyester on that print fabric. But of course with the embroidery, if you can see here, it's a lot more attention to detail. It's a little bit more cleaner. It's more put together. And you see it, like, even though I'm like holding it, you can tell even if they didn't press it down, there's a lot more effort where it's not just smacked in like, hurry, throw it in the bag. And it was actually folded correctly. There's a reason why that there's more, if that makes sense. It's like Lolita. You don't want a cheap Lolita outfit, not only because it's not on brand, you're not helping the group, but like, honestly, you're gonna get a better quality dress. I'm excited for the blouse. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. I just saw this. This is the outer part, okay? Oh my, wait. It's so pretty. Okay, I know it's transparent. Fuck off, okay? But I like how it is because someone's gonna say it's transparent. Look, you're gonna be wearing layers under this. I don't know if you saw my video above where it talks about ancient undergarments, but people would wear layers under their clothes naturally in the summer or the winter. I'll put 5,000 years thing about sheer like materials that people would wear. I'll put the name of this Hanfu somewhere when I talk about it a bit more in a sec. You look at the effort put into the Hanfu. You could tell it's not too much effort like it was the skirt, but you can tell because like the way that they kind of slap this on, the flower itself. But I love how the embroidery is doing better. Like look at that, it's on the cusp. It's on the like sleeve cuffs. I'm so happy about that. Yeah, like look at how it matches the actual skirt because it has the same embroidery. It looks like they took the extra effort to sew the embroidery on itself, but I like the top of this. It looks very nice. I know it's plain on the back, but once again, you're going to be layering with this shirt. So let me just go ahead and open this one. All right, so this is going to go underneath that pink, I would say like a t-shirt blouse, because it is a two-part set essentially. This one is going to be more basic. Yes, it's transparent. Normally you can wear a camisole underneath as well. I think it is polyester because remember, once again, it's not just the price tag, but it's also the materials, what you're paying for, but also because people look at different types of Hanfus for different scenarios. This one is, of course, a little bit transparent, not too much. It is obviously polyester, but this one is the same design, you know, around the wrist cuffs that we had for the sleeve cuffs around for the top blouse. If I can't find like the full name for this Hanfu, I'll break it down to those two pieces so that you guys understand what the name is so you can research it yourself and buy your own Hanfu. So we're now going to wash the outfit, see how it looks, you know, try it on after we've washed it and dried it and pressed it. But hopefully you guys like the way it looks. I'm going to show the clip of me wearing it and how it looks on my body, and also the after effects and what I think about the outfit now that I've worn it and it's washed and how do I feel about it. But let's go ahead and play the clip. It's sweating over here. I'm sorry, guys. Anyways, here's my review of this Hanfu. With this Hanfu, I actually really love it. It's great. It's very spacious, though. Very spacious. Because I normally fit an extra large in a lot of Hanfu, and it fits me just right. So this one was a little bit bigger than usual. It is very sheer to an extent, so I'm okay with that. It's pretty big because normally I'm used to like this coming up right here, but it like dips down lower. I put on the skirt correctly this time, and it's balanced on both ends, so I'm pretty proud of myself. Would say another thing about this Hanfu is that I love the colors. Like I actually thought it would look kind of goofy, but altogether when you have your head like kind of accessories, hair pieces together, it looks like one cohesive like kind of element. So I would definitely say for this Hanfu, it's definitely I don't want to say A+. It's an A for me because personally the sizing was great. The threading and embroidery were great. Oh wait, hold on. You're gonna have to do this review over, it's hot. Okay, sorry, my TV was playing and I got my water and I got my fan. This boy is hot up in here. It is hot. Well, I would definitely say I really love this Hanfu. Great choice. There is some cons, but there's a lot more pros than cons. I love the design. The embroidery is great. Nothing is falling, no loose threads. Great, it all matches. I would say even on the chin around the belt where the ties are. Yes, I hear you, neighbors. Where the ties are, you know, it matches everything. It doesn't like go out of color or out of socket. You know, everything is matching. So it is a layered Hanfu for the shirt. For this one, I believe it's a Tanling, and it's from the early Tang Dynasty. They saw it in a lot of murals, most commonly seen, and then it was more adapted into more Tang Dynasty Hanfu because it was Tang Dynasty was known for its makeup styles, hairstyles, clothing, all that shebang. But yes, other than that, I'm doing pretty good with this outfit, but I love this unboxing so much. This one was what I was looking forward to besides the other green Hanfu that you did see, because it is something I've been looking forward to for a very long time. But with that, I'm gonna let other Matcha take it away and end the video. So thank you so much so far. Please stick to the end because I do have some tips for you. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching that. What did you think of it? What did you think of that Hanfu? I liked it. What do you think of it? What is your opinion on the type of Hanfu that I bought this time around? It's a little different, right? Different dynasty. Did you like this Hanfu style on me? Or did you prefer the Tang Dynasty? Or is there a certain dynasty that I should go over for Hanfu that I should buy? If there's still men Hanfu that you would want me to check out, let me know down below. If you're interested in my videos, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that you're interested in my videos and you want to stay tuned. So hit subscribe with the bell notification as well. It keeps you informed. Let you guys know if you're 18 and older and you would like to get to know me on a chill level, I do stream on Twitch. But of course, I also want to let you guys know if you cannot join the streams, that's okay. Just remember I have a Discord server and it's made for not just Hanfu enthusiasts or people who like kawaii stuff, but also for gamers or people who just want to chill and chat. Until then, guys, I have to go. I have to do this collab stream with some friends, but I will catch you on the flip side. Do not forget to spread peace, love, and happiness, and it is only up to you to make every day beautiful. I will see you ladies and gents later. I am blossoming out. Boom. No, oh no, oh no. Oh my god. I just put lipstick on this. Oh no, it's all over it. My bad. Oh shit. Oh. Okay, wait, I gotta, oop, and a oop, gotta squat down, oop. I'm actively hot under these lights, bro. My makeup's melting faster than I can say. So, I would say for this Hanfu, wow, my neighbor's really creeping on me today. They were like right above me, creeping, just hearing every word I say. Oh, now they stopped. Now they stopped.